In the couple of last videos, we have seen the pressure inside a liquid. We have derived the formula for the pressure inside the liquid, correct? Now let's talk about what are the other types of measurement to calculate the pressure inside a liquid. For this one, look at this particular instrument. It's a U-shaped tube with a glass bulb on one side, and the other side, on the right side, the top is open. That is, it is exposed to the atmosphere. Correct? Now, what do we have here is that some liquid is poured in that U-shaped tube. All right. In that blob is there, right? The glass blob on the left side. There, air is filled. Correct? Because as you start pouring the liquid, there's going to be air which is there on that part of the U-shaped tube. Now, what happens here is that say you start to pour liquid and the liquid has a density of rho. All right. Now, the next part, what do you have? Say the more and more pressure air is getting, like in the sense, more pressure is building up inside that U-shaped tube. Okay. Now, if the pressure in that air part of it, in the sense that blob part of it, if that air pressure is more, then the liquid is going to come down, correct? And atmosphere is also pressing that particular liquid, in the sense atmosphere is also applying some sort of pressure, correct? Now, wherever that liquid, stops, that point is the pressure which is equal to the pressure of the atmosphere, and along with that we also have the pressure of the liquid. In the sense, what you have is P is the net pressure, P, and PA is the atmospheric pressure. Now what you get is P minus PA is equal to rho GH. What we call this as gauge pressure. Okay, we get P is equal to PA plus rho GH. This is the pressure in a particular liquid, where you have rho being the density, G is the acceleration due to gravity, and H is that whatever that height difference the liquid is going to move. Understood? In the sense, if there is small change in the height of that, because the liquid is going to come down or move up, correct? There is a height difference. That is what we call as H. Now what you get is P minus PA, what we call as the gauge pressure, or P is equal to PA plus rho GH. This is how you calculate the pressure with this particular instrument. Understood? This is one of the ways in which the pressure difference can be calculated.